Hey guys, in this video we're going to make it quick, but we're going to do a bang versus buck versus quality and comparison here. So here we go. If you have a Polaris Slingshot, all in, if you wanted to trick it out completely, top to bottom, everything you can think of, you can do a 6-row alternating design rim set of 3 on the bolt-on rings. Every harness that you need, your splitters, your connections, everything. These are all handmade, by the way. So each one of these is cut to length. They are tinned, they're soldered, and then we use marine grade dual wall adhesive lined heat shrink. This stuff is solid. Every kit, all right, so you got your hood kit, you got your mega eyebrow kit. That's a 10-piece eyebrow set. Your extra large underbody, your longest length on that is 72 inch, all right, plus your side pieces. Your full exterior kit, your mirror kit, your full interior kit, and then you got a side body kit that's not shown here, but all of that, all under one controller for around 2,500 bucks, give or take. So feel free to drop a comment below on where else you can get all of that 6 rows for 2,500 bucks. That's all in. So imagine if you didn't want a few of these, or you didn't want 6 rows, right? All lifetime warranty, great customer service. You guys tag me all the time when someone's looking for LED lights, and I appreciate it, and I'm always quick to respond. But you don't see a lot of others quick to respond. I'm out here hustling for your business. I'm working for you. I don't need you to come to me. I'm going to come to you. All you got to do is let me know what you need. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.